Oh, ikaw, uya to? Ay, wow.
We are here in the Golden Plaza.
Street na ang ano.
Mabuyan ko
I'm here strolling around at Golden Plaza, Abu Hamur, together with my Japanese girl partner.
Moshi Moshi. Partner, ano partner?
Ninta makagi.
We're going there on the side.
Hari kami di mga kajukratis. Yes bro. It's okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Sayonara can do it.
Moshi Moshi.
Sayonara.
Moshi Moshi.
Restaurants when you go. いらっしゃいませ。
Nami lang lagaw di mga kajokrats. Kay malamig na ang tiyempo.
Moshi Moshi.
Moshi ano ni sayonara. Para mong sayonara.
Ano nga yung thank you?
Sayonara.
What is thank you?
Sayonara.
Arigato.
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 Nails? Vanilla-san.
Anta?
Sun?
Oh,
Yeah.
what happened?
Hey, I'm here at Golden Plaza mga kajokratis sa Abu Hamur. Naglantaw kami diri sang amon nga next to open restaurant Burritos. Okay lang, maganda ka naman. Uwi na? Sige.
We are here in Japan, you know. I'm wearing only Japanese. She's wearing
Arigato.
Arigato.
Domo arigato. Sprite in Huygens.
This is Golden Plaza.
Ayusin mo kasi.
Ano nga to? In Abu Hamur, Golden Plaza.
I'm here at Golden Plaza Abu Hamur. I have one interview for a Japanese lady here. So how can you describe in Japanese this Golden Plaza Abu Hamur?
Moshi Moshi, ano ni? Arigato. Ha? It's the knockoff version of Japanese girl. Knockoff version. That is my version. Knock version. That is my knock version.
What chapter?
Chapter.
If you make a version, you make it a chapter also.
Chapter 1.
Okay, just summarize you talking. Make it summarize. Fast.
We are here in ano to?
And hot dog.
Golden Plaza. Abu Hamur.
We will open a restaurant.
Yeah, we will open. we have Gucci.
I'm here in Golden Plaza Abu Hamur. I'm visit here because soon to open the Burritos restaurant owned by the Japanese
Yeah.
lady and the two
Investors.
investors. Kleiniel and Hakub.
What did you see?
Good luck to your business.
you so much.
Hope
What
Vic.
did you say for your daughter name?
Kleinil. He's
Again?
Kleinil. Kleinil.
Again?
Klein. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay na? Saan ang sasakyan?
Kid is driving.
You go back there.
They promised us they would today.
That's why we pay because your we charge you low charge.
They charge us big money because our shop is small. There is another shop which is like a little bit bigger than ours.
Thank you. Pasyal lang. Walang pera.
Look at this signboard. Look at that.
Ivan?
Yeah, and look at the down part. Look at this here.
It's like at the bottom. You should take a video of your day.
Na, nakata. Kaya daw, kahit panagari, amo man na Japon ulit ngayon. Tapos,
It will take time na yan, no?
pilas tuwa naman na 70,000 naman yan.
Ang burrito malapit sa Flaming.
Sa Flaming?
That one.
Flamingo?
No, Flaming only. Flaming pizza.
It's okay? You say in YouTube. You say in your face in YouTube, ah? Dance bell. Oh, Talabat. Okay. Talabat number 1.